Okay, we're laying over here. Her eyeliner, super easy, super cute. If you haven't already, make sure you stop what you're doing, scroll on down, hit that red button down below, subscribe to the channel, y'all. Upload a lot of content, beauty content, and lifestyle content. Thank you so much, y'all. So without further ado, let's go. So of course, lovelies, I'm starting with my eyebrows, getting them all slayed, pluck them out a little bit. I don't do that every time. They were just a little bushy for me and I had to go in. And I picked this tweezer for your eyebrows, or you know, here I'm sure you can use it for like your beard or whatever, but I picked that up at Five or Below. It comes with an LED light, and y'all, I'm telling y'all, it get me right every time. I'm moving on to filling in my eyebrows. I'm just going in with a basic eyebrow pencil, y'all already know. And now I'm taking my eyebrow wax and going right over top, filling them in more. And of course, lovelies, I work with a little bit of concealer at a time, y'all. If you missed out on my last makeup look, make sure you go check that out. I'll link it up above. Oh, okay. I was a little hyped at that. And I do blend out my eyebrows as I go. It just gives me the best results. I do have a more in-depth video for you guys. Be sure to check that out. Again, I'll link it above. I just finished the eyebrow part. I'm gonna go ahead and put some concealer on my eyelids and do like a dramatic looking type of eyeliner. So let's get into it. It's got a little bit of concealer putting it on my eyelid just because I look, but I don't want to put any eyeshadow on it. So it's just gonna pop it out. That's all. Okay, so you see the eyelids, they popped out a little bit from that concealer. Focus on the shape of my eyes. So I think what I'm gonna do is start from start from the outside of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this right here. Let's line it out. Just that's so cute. Okay, I got it. I'll make a little heart. I'll make a little heart right there. Okay. OMG, y'all. That was so easy. That should be the hardest thing to do on this side. Okay. So I got my heart right there. Let me get a little bit better. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's so cute, y'all. OMG, that's so cute. Okay. Oh, what's up? Oh, God. Okay. Alright. What's up? Don't ruin it. Don't ruin it. Okay, y'all. So I just went off camera and made it darker. And then my bottom waterline. Not all the way to the corner, but halfway. That's kind of my favorite to do on the waterline, you know. But y'all, do you see it? Do you see it? Yes. Let me throw some mascara on my face. Yes. Is giving everything it needs to give right now. Everything needs to give. Okay. Y'all, am I the only one that always open their mouth? I know I'm not. Like, it's a must. No. It's just the rules. So I just went ahead and did that other eye for you guys off camera. Did a little lip. And that's it. Thank you so much. You guys saw how easy that was. Try it, see if you like it, and if you like it, boom, work from it from there. Until next time, you guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment, of course, so I can say what's up to all of my lovelies. And until next time, you guys, bye.